Hmm. I was bored and decided to try something new. So I bought this sewing thread, 2 packs. There are 12 pieces in each pack, and they had combination of 3 colors: black, charcoal, and grey. Since I was going to use 6 strands, I actually did my mathematics before going to get them. So I got 12 black, 8 charcoal, and 4 grey. I combined 3 black, 2 charcoal, and 1 grey to make a crocheting yarn. It was hard to express the kind of joy I felt here while looking at the outcome of the colors I combined. And here you have the final look. Thanks for watching.